Hello there, tech dreamers. Ever wished you could high-five Iron Man, hug Groot, or maybe even dance with Cinderella? Well, Disney Imagineering is cooking up something that might just make those dreams a reality. We're not talking about animatronics or CGI magic. This time, it's real robots powered by AI. Imagine robots that can walk, talk, and even improvise like your favorite Disney characters. It's a mind-blowing blend of cutting-edge robotics and artificial intelligence, and it's happening right now in Disney's top-secret labs. So buckle up because we're about to take a behind the scenes look at this mind-blowing tech and how it could revolutionize not just theme parks, but the entire entertainment industry. Chapter 1. More than just animatronics. The evolution of Disney's characters. Okay, before we go full-on sci-fi, let's rewind a bit. Disney's been bringing characters to life for decades, starting with classic animatronics like those singing birds in the Enchanted Tiki Room. But these new AI-powered robots are a whole different ballgame. Animatronics are pre-programmed like a fancy record player. They can repeat the same movements and phrases, but they can't think for themselves. These new robots, however, are powered by AI algorithms that can learn, adapt, and even improvise on the fly. It's like the difference between a puppet and a real actor. One is a lifeless imitation, while the other can create genuine emotions and connections with the audience. Chapter 2. Meet the Disney Imagineering robot. It's not what you expect. All right, now for the main event, the Disney Imagineering robot. Forget those clunky Terminator-style machines you've seen in movies. These robots are sleek, agile, and designed to mimic the natural movements of humans and animals. Think of them as the Olympians of the robot world. Graceful, powerful, and capable of feats that'll leave you speechless. But how do they achieve this level of realism? What's the secret sauce behind these mind-blowing machines? We'll be diving into the cutting-edge AI and robotics technology that makes it all possible, so stay tuned. These robots aren't just about looks, though. They're packed with sensors, actuators, and AI algorithms that allow them to perceive their environment, make decisions, and interact with people in a natural and engaging way. They can even adapt to unexpected situations, like a child running up for a hug or a sudden change in the weather. Chapter 3. The tech behind the magic. How Disney's robots work. Okay, techies, let's get under the hood. Disney's robots are powered by a combination of cutting-edge technologies, including advanced sensors, actuators, and machine learning algorithms. These sensors allow the robots to perceive their environment, while the actuators enable them to move and interact with objects. But the real magic lies in the AI algorithms that control their behavior. These algorithms are constantly learning and adapting based on the robot's experiences and interactions with the world. They enable the robot to recognize faces, understand language, and even predict human behavior. It's like having a mini supercomputer inside each robot, making them capable of incredibly complex tasks and interactions. But how does Disney train these AI algorithms? And what are the challenges of developing robots that can interact safely and seamlessly with humans? We'll be answering these questions and more in the next chapter, so don't go anywhere. Chapter 4. Training Day. Teaching robots to be Disney characters. So how do you teach a robot to act like Buzz Lightyear or Captain Jack Sparrow? Well, it's not as simple as just pressing a button. Disney Imagineers use a combination of motion capture, machine learning, and good old-fashioned human ingenuity to bring these characters to life. The first step is motion capture, where actors wear special suits with markers that track their movements. This data is then fed into the robot's AI algorithms, which learn to replicate the actor's gestures, facial expressions, and even subtle nuances. But it's not just about copying movements. The Imagineers also use machine learning to teach the robots how to improvise and react to their environment. They expose the robots to a variety of scenarios and interactions, allowing the AI to learn from experience and develop its own unique personality. But is it really possible for a robot to capture the essence of a beloved Disney character? Can they truly evoke the same emotions and create meaningful connections with guests? We'll be exploring the challenges and possibilities of this groundbreaking technology in the next chapter. It's a painstaking process, but the results are nothing short of magical. These robots are able to move and interact with a level of realism that's truly mind-blowing. It's like watching your favorite characters step out of the screen and into the real world. Chapter 5. The magic of interaction. Bringing characters to life. So what's it like to actually interact with one of these Disney robots? Well, it's an experience you won't soon forget. Imagine talking to Groot, asking him about his day, or having a lightsaber duel with a young Jedi Padawan. These robots are designed to create authentic, memorable interactions that blur the line between fantasy and reality. But it's not just about fun and games. These robots also have the potential to revolutionize how we interact with technology. They could be used in education, healthcare, and even customer service. providing personalized experiences and assistance that's both helpful and engaging. Of course, there are challenges to overcome. Safety is paramount, especially when dealing with children. The robots need to be able to detect and avoid collisions, as well as respond appropriately to unexpected situations. There's also the question of how to maintain the illusion of character while ensuring the robot's behavior is predictable and controllable. But despite these challenges, the potential of AI-powered robots is undeniable. What will the future hold for these amazing machines? Will we see them in every Disney park? In our homes? In our workplaces? We'll be exploring the exciting possibilities in the next chapter. Chapter 6, The Future of AI-Powered Entertainment, A Whole New World. All right, folks, now it's time to look into the crystal ball and envision the future of AI-powered entertainment. And trust me, it's going to be a wild ride. Imagine a world where your favorite Disney characters come to life, not just in movies and theme parks, but in your own home. Imagine interactive attractions that adapt to your preferences and create personalized experiences that are unique to you. Imagine a world where the boundaries between the physical and digital realms blur, creating a truly immersive and unforgettable entertainment experience. Imagine a future where you could have a lightsaber duel with Rey, explore Pandora alongside a Na'vi, or even help Moana navigate the ocean. This isn't just science fiction anymore. It's the future Disney Imagineering is building. But it's not just about creating cool new attractions. AI-powered robots have the potential to transform the way we interact with the world around us, from education and healthcare to entertainment and beyond. Chapter 7, Beyond the Parks, the real-world impact of Disney's AI robots. Disney's AI robots aren't just confined to theme parks. They're being developed for a variety of real-world applications that could make a real difference in people's lives. Imagine AI companions that can help children with special needs learn and socialize, or robotic therapists that can provide emotional support and guidance. We could see AI-powered robots working alongside human healthcare professionals, providing personalized care and assistance to patients in need. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll even have AI companions that can keep us company, entertain us, and even help us with everyday tasks. But the impact of Disney's AI robots goes beyond individual interactions. These robots could also revolutionize industries like education, healthcare, and even space exploration. Imagine AI-powered robots teaching children in remote villages, assisting surgeons in complex surgeries, or even exploring distant planets alongside human astronauts. So there you have it, folks. The Disney Imagineering robot isn't just a cool new toy. It's a glimpse into the future of AI and entertainment. It's a testament to the power of human creativity and technological innovation to create truly magical experiences. Whether you're a die-hard Disney fan or just someone who loves cutting-edge tech, this is a story you won't want to miss. What are your thoughts on Disney's AI robots? Are you excited about the possibilities, or do you have any concerns? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of AI There, where we explore the latest and greatest in the world of artificial intelligence.